Namaste everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Navaratri. This Saptami, which is tonight, myself and the dancers of Hreem Dance Company are going to be presenting Kathak Nritya Seva. As always, this is a tribute to my guru, late Srimati Asha Joglekar ji. For today's Kathak Nritya Seva, we begin with two Ganesh pieces. The first one is a cover of a popular Marathi song, Sur Niraga Saho, by the Canadian musician artist Abby V. In this particular piece, we have tried to incorporate the legacy and the tradition of my Paramaguru, that is late Nataraj Gopi Krishna ji. He was very famous for his innumerable chakkars with precision, and we've attempted to incorporate that aspect of my Guru Parampara into this particular piece. As a fun viewing experience for our audience tonight, we encourage you to count the number of chakkars that you see in the final shot of this particular bhajan, and let us know in the comments below how many chakkars you thought you saw. Our team has been giving us various different answers as to how many chakkars they saw, and it will be really interesting to know how many you thought you saw. The second piece is a Ganesh bhajan that was sung and put together by the Marathi music industry, and it comprises of a lot of very famous, very established, some legendary composers, musicians, and vocalists of the Marathi music industry. Following this, we offer a tribute to Devi Ma in the form of Vishnu Maya. The dancers for tonight are myself, Taksha Swaminathan, along with Kumari Barkha Bhandari, Kumari Shrinda Ignatius, Kumari Apurva Madan from Adelaide, Australia, and Kumari Ashwini Chettiar from Melbourne, Australia. We hope you all enjoy and receive all the blessings this Navaratri. Thank you.
गणपति सुमनानी भरली ओंजळ नित्यरीती भवी चरणावर तनहे बालक सुमधुर हासे भावत सेवा हो सुरा ओंकार गणपती ओंकार गणपती अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति सुरपति लीन निरंतर हो लीन निरंतर हो वक्रतुंड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय वक्रतुंड महाकाय वक्रतुंड महाकाय सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता माता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर सिंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव 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 रत्न खचित परा तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची उटी कुंकुम केशरा हिरे जडिता मुकुट शोभतो बरा झुणझुणती नुपुरे चरणी घागर्या जय देव 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 जय देव
किडताळ लंबोदर किडताळ विघ्नेश्वर किडताळ धनद वेगिट कनद वेगिट कनद वेगिट किडताळ धनद वेगिट कनद वेगिट कनद वेगिट किडताळ किडताळ किडताळ
संकट अमुचे विलयाला जा
स्तवितो तुम्हा संकट अमुचे विलयाला जाओ
स्तवितो तुम्हा संकट अमुचे विलयाला जाओ हे गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय हे गजवदन वक्रतुंड महाकाय वक्रतुंड महाकाय वक्रतुंड महाकाय लंबोदर पीतांबर परिमल वंदना सरळ सोंड वक्रतुंड त्रिनयना दास रामाचा वाटपा हे सदना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना
जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव 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 जय देव
Vishnu Maya as a concept has been extremely fascinating to us, simply because she is the sister, the twin, who is also the mother. I think most women have this intrinsic sense of feeling protective, feeling nurturing. And it manifests in different levels on different scales. We might not recognize it, but all women have it in us. And that's what Prakriti is, that's what nature is. That's why when you plant a seed, when you drop a seed into the soil, it grows into something beautiful, a tree. Vishnu Maya, the story, is what we will begin with today. We've taken an excerpt from Amma Anandadayini. Amma Ninnu Nammi Bala Murali Ganambu Jesi Dhanyudanaitini. Literally, it means the poet Balakrishna is experiencing, the poet is Sri Balamurali Krishna, the late legend himself. Literally, this line means he experiences the greatest happiness in the remembrance of Devi. But the interpretation that Amma has done of it through music, through Ganalaya Karana, is Vishnu Maya. How little Krishna, the life of little Krishna begins because he is protected by Vishnu Maya. When Vasudeva takes the little newborn, freshborn infant, a few minutes old Krishna, he takes him and travels across the river. He brings Vishnu Maya with him in place of Krishna. When Kamsa ignorantly and arrogantly says, "Oh, this is a girl child, what is she going to do to me?" and he flings her across to the wall, emerges the possibility of her being, he sees very clearly in front of her the scope that is Amba, the scope that is Amma. How the infant girl can become the mother, how a small seed becomes the source of the whole world. That's the excerpt that we have taken. Following which we have a very special Kavita Seva by another Guru Ma of mine. This is done by Srimati Pramila Dhanuji, who is my Guru Ma. who has taught me through school. And she has written a Kavita Seva on mother, on I, in Marathi. It speaks of how the mother, through various illusions, is eternally protecting and eternally looking after us with compassion. She may seem like she's reprimanding us, but really she has forgiven us before we even asked for it. It may seem like she is only nurturing us once she has us in her hands, but our life begins with the shedding of her blood. The blood that runs in our veins comes only after she sheds her blood. And that entire illusion is what mother is what, and every sister is a mother, every woman is a mother. And for us, Vishnu Maya begins as that. And we also explore through Dharmavati Tillana, which we adapt because it is Hindustani for us, we adapt it as a Madhuvanti Tarana. The composition is, of course, by Sikri Gurucharan and Shri Anil. It's a very famous tarana that we have taken. Towards the end of it, there is the Kalinga Nartana. And before, I'll just give you a very quick snapshot as to why we chose that. Yashoda is the mother of Krishna. But apart from the one incident when Krishna opens his mouth and shows the three worlds to her, there is no mention of Yashoda ever knowing of the great Leelas of Krishna as a child. She knows nothing of her young one being the divine energy himself manifested. How is that? There is one theory, one interpretation that Vishnu Maya, the unmanifested twin, would appear in front of Yashoda as her son every time that Krishna would sneak out to kill a demon, to do some cause, to do an act of greater cause and greater benefit for the world. One such incident is Kalinga Nartana, which is why Yashoda towards the end also never believed that her son vanquished all these demons, especially Kalinga. She said, are you crazy? My son, my little boy could not jump into the Yamuna and vanquish a thousand-headed snake. He's just my little son. That's because Vishnu Maya, at the same time that Krishna jumps into the Yamuna, Vishnu Maya jumps out as Krishna. So these many interpretations of Vishnu Maya as the sister, Vishnu Maya as the goddess, Vishnu Maya as the mother, through Kathak. I'll tell you why I said I could not have done this without my two Vishnu Mayas, because I live very far away from my mother, but in no way are they less than protective, mothering, nurturing energies for me. They are here for me emotionally. They are here for me physically. They are here for me, even though my own mother is so far away from me physically. So I don't think Vishnu Maya could have been better explored than with these two women who truly are Maya. Maya has come down to me to nurture me through them and their respective families as well. So thank you very much for having Reem. We as a team are very thankful and very grateful for being here. And we do hope that all of you enjoy our interpretation, our exploration of, and our seva to Vishnu Maya.
धा ता धा धिन धिन कतिटित धिलांग धा प्रधिनता धिनता त्रिकृधे धा त्रिकृधे त्रिकृधे तधि त्रिकृधा तकधरि किट किट तकधरि किट धा तकधरि किट किट धे कधे कथुन तकिट तक त्रिकृधे त्रिकृधे धा त्रिकृधे तत तथुंग तकिट थुंग तक धिमित थुंग तकिट धे किट तक धिन धाण धाण धा कतिटित धाण धाण धा कतिटित धाण धाण धा धा प्रधिनता धिनता त्रिकृधे धा तिरकडे धा तिरकडे थुंत धिंता धिंता किड तक थुंत तकिट घेन तिरकडे कधी गर घाण थुन्न घेन 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 किड तक थुंत धिंत घेन किड घेत कधी गर तत्त धिंता टिटिकता धिंत तकिट धिंता टिटिकत कधी गर धा धिंता किड घेत तदि तिरकडे थुंत धिंता किड घेत तदि तिरकडे धालिक धा धा घेन दो घेन ताकिट धालिक घेन ताकिट चार घेन ताकिट 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 घेन शे घेन ताकिट धा घेन ताकिट घेन ताकिट 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 घेन दस घेन ताकिट यार घेन ताकिट घेन ताकिट 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 घेन सोड घेन ताकिट घेन ताकिट सोड घेन ताकिट 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 घेन घेन ताकिट हातलिक घेन ताकिट चार घेन ताकिट 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 घेन शे घेन ताकिट सात घेन ताकिट घेन ताकिट धा 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 गदी गद धा 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 गदी गद धा धा धा
आई, तिच्या नावातच सर्व काही. असं म्हणतात स्वामी तिन्ही जगाचा, आई विना भिकारी. असं म्हणतात स्वामी तिन्ही जगाचा, आई विना भिकारी. पण त्या माऊलीला सगळीच लेकर प्यारी. आई मायेचा सागर, आई प्रेमाची सावली. आई मायेचा सागर, आई प्रेमाची सावली. किती चुका केल्या तरी माफ कर ती माऊली. तिच्या उदरातून झाला जीवनाचा प्रवास हा सुरू. तिच्या उदरातून झाला जीवनाचा प्रवास हा सुरू. जगतात या साऱ्या माय पहिलीच गुरु. आपुली करी रक्षा सर्वदा, आपुली करी रक्षा सर्वदा. तिचा मायेचा गपदर, नका सोडू तिचा हात, करा नेहमी कदर. देवा प्रार्थना ही एकच, देवा प्रार्थना ही एकच. माझी तुझ्या रे चरणी, हीच माझी आई. राहो जन्मो जनमी, राहो जन्मो जनमी, राहो जन्मो जनमी.
धीम तननन धीम तननन दृदृदी धीम तननन धीम तननन दृदृदी धीम तननन धीम तननन दृदृदी नदृदी 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 तननन धीम तननन दृदृदी नदृदी 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 तननन धीम तननन दृदृदी नदृदी 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 तननन धीम तननन नदृदी 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 तननन धीम तननन नदृदी नदृदी तनदिरन नदृदी तनदिरन नदृदी तनदिरन नदृदी 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 धीम तननन धीम तननन नदृदी 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 तननन धीम तननन नदृदी नदृदी तनदिरन नदृदी तनदिरन नदृदी तनदिरन ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ರಮಣ ಜಾರ ಜೋರ ಮುರಳೀಧರ ರಾಧಾ ಮಾಧವ ಕುಂಚ ಬಿಹಾರಿ ಯಮುನಾ ಬಿಹಾರಿ ಗಿರಿವರದಾರಿ ಗೋಪಿ ಜನ ವಲ್ಲಭ ಯಶೋಧ ನಂದನ ವ್ರಜ ಜನರಂಜನ ಜನಪಾಲನ ಕಾಳಿಂಗ ನರ್ದನ ಕಾಳಿಂಗ ನರ್ದನ ಕಾಳಿಂಗ ನರ್ದನ ಗೋಕುಲ ರಕ್ಷಣ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ರಮಣಚಾರ ಚೋರ ಮುರಳೀಧರ ರಾಧಾ ಮಾಧವ ಕುಂಜ ವಿಹಾರಿ ಯಮುನಾ ವಿಹಾರಿ ಗಿರಿವರದಾರಿ ಗೋಪಿ ಜನ ವಲ್ಲಭ ಯಶೋಧನಂದನ್ ವ್ರಜ ಜನರಂಜನ್ ಜನಪಾಲನ ಕಾಳಿಂಗ ನರ್ದನ ಗೋಕುಲ ರಕ್ಷಣ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಕಾಳಿಂಗ ನರ್ದನ ಗೋಕುಲ ರಕ್ಷಣ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಕಾಳಿಂಗ ನರ್ದನ ಗೋಕುಲ ರಕ್ಷಣ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ನಾದ್ರಧೃತಿ ನಾದ್ರಧೃಧೀಂ ಧೀ ನಾದ್ರಧೃತಿ ನಾದ್ರಧೃಧೀಂ ಧೀ ನಾದ್ರಧೃತಿ ನಾದ್ರಧೃಂ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಮಗರಿ ದಬ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಬ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಪದ ನಿಧಿ ತನನನ ದಿಂದನನ ನಾದ್ರಧೃತಿ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ದಬ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಸ ಸ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಮ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಸನಿ ದಬ ಧನಿ ರಿದಿ ತನನನ ದಿಂದನನ ನಾದ್ರಧಿ ದಿಂದಿ ನಾದ್ರಧಿ 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 ತನನನ ದಿ ತನನನ ನಾದ್ರಧಿ 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 ನಾದ್ರಧಿ